I have recorded. So hi Sunil, how are you?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Okay, that's great. That's great. So so how's your day going on so far?
Yeah, it is not, I will not say, not anything special, not anything like that, just a normal casual day for me. Yeah.
Okay, so let's go for the rapid fire.
Yeah,
Are
yeah,
you
yeah.
interested?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, yeah.
Are you all set for your rapid fire?
Yeah, all set. Madam, please ask a little bit simple.
Sure. I will ask some basic sentences. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Okay. So, for like as I have already told you, we use since or for, where we use since and where we use for. So that's like a sentence is मैं सवेरे से खाना खा रही हूँ.
I have been eating food since morning.
मैं 4 साल से इंग्लिश सीख रही हूँ.
I have been learning English since I have been learning English for 4 years of now, as of now.
You have been learning for 4 years.
Yeah.
मुझे इंग्लिश बोलनी आती है.
I know how to speak in English.
मुझे पता है कि गाड़ी कैसे चलाई जाती है.
I know how to drive.
मुझे उसने कल बताया.
He told me that yesterday.
मैं उसे 4 साल से जानती हूँ.
She has been known to me for the last 4 years. She has been.
Means you have known to her 4 years.
Yeah. I have been known to her for. I have been known to her for last 4 years.
अपनी मुट्ठी खोलो.
Open your fist.
No, open we can't use here. Unclench your fist.
Unclench your fist. Okay.
दरवाजा खोल दो.
Open the door.
पर्दे खोल दो.
Open the curtain or flood the curtains. Something.
No, you can say undraw the curtains.
Undraw the curtain. Okay. Yeah.
कपड़े पहन लो.
Wear your clothes.
And you can use other word as well. Do you know what? How
Dress.
can you use? Okay,
Dress.
tell me. No, put on. Put on your clothes.
Yeah, that is also.
अपने स्लीपर्स उतार दो.
Take off your slippers.
अपनी टाई बांध लो.
Put on your tie. Wear your tie.
मैं सवेरे से उसे पढ़ा रही हूँ.
I have been teaching her since morning.
मैं बचपन में बहुत खेलती थी.
In my childhood, in my childhood times, I used to play a lot.
वो मेरे घर आती थी.
She had been coming to my house often.
नहीं, she used to come my house.
Yeah.
मुझे क्या पता था कि तुम रूठ जाओगी.
I hadn't expected you to get upset. I didn't expect. Yeah, I didn't expect you to get upset.
बोलती हो ना, जब ऐप्सी इसके लिए सेंटेंस है, फॉर्मेशन है उसकी. लाइक इफ यू आर eagerly wanting to enhance your English, you can use. पहले तो सिंपल वाला है. I didn't know that you would offend.
I didn't know that you will get upset. Yeah, in simple words.
नहीं पता था. अगर आप एक एडवांस वर्जन है इसका, मुझे क्या पता था कि ऐसा हो जाएगा, मुझे क्या पता था कि वैसा हो जाएगा. लिटिल डिड आई नो. मुझे क्या पता था कि तुम रूठ जाओगी. लिटिल डिड आई नो दैट यू वुड गेट ऑफेंडेड. मुझे क्या पता था कि वो नहीं आएगी. Little did I know that she wouldn't come. मुझे क्या पता था कि मैं बीमार हो जाऊंगी. Little did I knew that I fall asleep like a sick. या I would be under the weather.
Yeah.
वो मेरा पक्का साथी है.
He is my, best colleague or best friend.
You can say he is my true friend. He my best colleague. But I साथी का companion. He is
Companion,
my
yeah. Sathi is
Yeah, he-
companion, yeah.
मेरा सच्चा साथी है. He is my true companion.
Companion.
Now you can ask.
Now you go on, ma'am.
Okay, you
I think I'm
want
doing
me
a,
one section.
yeah. Another five, 6 questions.
Okay. मैं जब छोटी थी तो मैं बहुत खाती थी.
When I was a kid, I used to eat a lot.
मैं बहुत ज्यादा पतली हूँ.
I'm too thin.
You can also say I am skinny. वो अक्सर मेरे घर आती है.
She often used to visit my home. She often visits my home.
दूर दूर तक कोई नहीं था.
Nobody, so far and beyond. Nobody could be seen.
वहां पर एक लड़का है.
There is one boy at that place.
वो मुझसे बहुत बातें करता है.
He talks to me a lot.
मैं बहुत कम बोलती हूँ.
I speak little.
देखो एक वर्ड है इसके लिए आप यूज कर सकते हो.
I'm
यू कैन यूज
introvert.
दैट इज आई स्पीक लेस. मैं बहुत कम बोलती हूँ. वी
Yeah.
से ऑफन कॉमन.
Yeah.
Commonly we say, but in a other way you can say I'm a taciturn. Taciturn, a person who speaks very less. I'm a taciturn person.
Introvert is different and taciturn is different.
Yes. Introvert, a person who always enjoy their own company. And
Okay.
taciturn, a person they love to talk, like they are socialized, but still they
They talk less. They speak,
they speak
less.
वो बहुत पढ़ाकू है.
Padaku. No. In Hindi, what is mean padaku?
पढ़ाकू, the person who studies a lot.
Okay.
You can say she is studious or you
Studious.
bookworm. You can also say bookworm. A person who studies a lot, reads a lot of books. Bookworm. किताबों का कीड़ा जिसे कहते हैं.
Okay.
मैं तुम्हारे आने से पहले खाना खा चुकी थी.
I had my lunch before you visited it.
Before you come or you visit. जब तक तुम नहीं आओगी मैं नहीं जाऊंगी.
I will not go until you come.
No, until we can't use here because until followed by
I will not go
time.
till you come here. I will not go till you come here.
Until, not neither till nor until. Here we will use unless.
Unless you come, I will not go.
Yeah. Why? Let me clarify you why we use unless here, because unless here is a condition. उसने बोला कि जब तक तुम नहीं आओगे मैं नहीं जाऊंगी. Unless you come, I will not go. It is a condition. तुम आओगे तभी मैं जाऊंगी.
Yeah.
जब तक तुम मुझे माफ नहीं करोगे मैं तुम्हें सॉरी, जब तक तुम मुझसे माफी नहीं मांगोगी मैं माफ नहीं करूंगी.
I will not forgive you. I will not forgive you unless you ask for, unless you say sorry to me.
Unless you ask, unless you
Unless ask for forgiveness. Unless to ask for apology. Yeah.
हम्म, मैं तुमसे बड़ी हूँ,
I'm older than you.
मैं तुमसे छोटी हूँ,
I'm younger than you.
वो बहुत ही ज्यादा समझदार लड़की है,
She's a wise girl.
बहुत ज्यादा समझदार,
I'll say wisest. She's the wisest
you can
among
say
the.
she sagacious girl.
Yeah.
हम्म, मुझे अभी बहुत सारा काम करना है,
I have to do a lot of work now. I have a lot of work
मैं
to
5
do.
बजे तक वापस आ जाऊंगी,
I will come by 5 o'clock. I will be back by 5 o'clock.
until भी you can say मैं जब तक मैं 5 बजे तक भी वापस आ सकती हूँ,
I can return by 5 o'clock. I will return by 5 o'clock.
जब तक तुम जाओगे ट्रेन निकल चुकी होगी,
Until by the time you get there, train will have left the station or left that point.
by the time you visit
Reach
over
the-
there, by the
By
time
the
you
time you
reach,
reach,
train would have
train will
left.
have left.
काश मैं डॉक्टर होती,
I wished I was a topper.
काश मैं डॉक्टर होती,
I wished I was a doctor.
was or were,
I wished I was a doctor.
I
Was.
wish I were a doctor. Were is a hypothetical because you are just telling काश मैं होता. When you say काश,
Ah,
I always followed by were.
yeah. Okay.
काश मैं लड़की होती, you are not a girl but you are just imagining to be a girl, right? So you would say I wish I were a girl, I wish I were a doctor, I wish I were healthy, I wish I were supernatural, like a powerful.
Yeah. Okay.
I wish
Understood.
काश मेरे पास गाड़ी होती,
I wished I had a car.
काश मेरे पास सिस्टर होती,
I wish I had one sister.
काश मेरे पास बहुत सारे पैसे होते तो मैं
I
लंदन
wish
जाती,
if I had lot of money, I would have visited London.
काश मेरे पास पैसे होते और मैं लंदन जाती,
If I had lots of money, I would have visited London.
I would go to London, I visit London, I would visit London. Okay,
Okay,
I
yeah.
think it's sufficient.
Yeah. Okay, yeah.
It's
I think.
enough to have.
So, madam, how will you rate me out of 10? My performance, or give an honest
Yeah,
reply?
you have to improve a lot. Somewhere you have a deficiencies of words, sentence formations as well. You are confused where to use war or was. So you have
Yeah.
to learn all these things.
Yeah, I will definitely work because actually I can write, but whenever it is now it is a rapid fire. So rapid fire you have to be quick also. So don't not much time to think. And also
With rapid fires, it's okay, but still you have to take a
Yeah.
second properly.
Yeah, I can
Because
take a little bit. Yeah.
it's okay
And ma'am,
first time because
yeah,
I
it
was
is my
just
first.
that's why
No. I understand, ma'am. It is also my first time, and also I'm also I think I'm having conversation you for a that's slightly longer than the previous, so a little bit that can also. But I will definitely I think I will if I next session if I have I will be doing a lot better compared to this.
definitely in my second attempt if I if we get connected again, so that time I know you are going to nail this session.
Yeah.
Maybe it's your
Definitely.
first time now, so that's why you are a little bit anxious, right?
Yeah.
And you have a trepidation as well, so that's why trepidation मतलब होता है घबराहट, trepidation का मतलब होता है
Yeah.
so you
Yeah.
have a little bit trepidation in your heart and mind, that's why you are confused.
Yeah. Maybe that could be the reason also. Yeah.
Okay,
That's
thank you so
actually, I
much.
think, a lot, a lot. I'd like to thank you also for, giving your time and asking this, question. I enjoyed a lot. Yeah.
It's
Okay,
my
ma'am.
pleasure.
Goodbye. Yeah, yeah.
Okay,
Take care, ma'am.
bye.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.